President Joe Biden prepares to deliver on his promise to nominate the first black woman to the U.S. Supreme Court. Local judges are sharing their thoughts about the historic move. WKYT's Chelsea Jones spoke with 3 women serving as judges in Fayette County on what the nomination could mean for the country.
When President Joe Biden said he would nominate a black woman to the U.S. Supreme Court, these women were thrilled.
There's not a different class, a different test.
Denotra Sproul-Gunther, Melissa Moore-Murphy, and Pamela Goodwine, all judges here in Fayette County, feel the move is long overdue.
Because it's been 150 years since the first black woman graduated from law school, and it's been 94 years before there was a first black judge.
There have been 115 U.S. Supreme Court justices. Only 5 have been women, and only 3 have been people of color. It's the first time Fayette County has seen 3 black women sitting on the bench at the same time.
Council, where do we stand?
In 1999, Goodwine became the first black woman to join the local judiciary. Murphy joined her in 2020 and Gunther in 2021.
Because had there not been any guns in the hands of these 16-year-olds and 15-year-olds, Antonio Franklin would still be with us today.
Goodwine had sights on wearing a black robe as a young girl. Inspired by Supreme Court Justices Thurgood Marshall and Sandra Day O'Connor, she hoped to sit on the highest court one day. She submitted her application to the Obama administration, but didn't become his Supreme Court nominee. She's since focused her attention elsewhere.
So I set my eyes on the Kentucky Supreme Court and do plan to become the first African American to sit on that court.
These women hope their careers will inspire the next generation of female judges, letting little girls who look like them know that they too can achieve. It hasn't been an easy road for these women.
We take the same tests. We go through the same classes. The bar exam is not for the faint of heart. We're doing the same work, and more importantly, we have to be overqualified most of the time to get recognized.
The judges say they've dealt with discrimination despite their list of degrees and credentials.
There was always times that nobody thought that I could possibly be the prosecutor. I was always either the social worker or the victim's advocate.
When Goodwine decided to run for circuit court, the only judge to support her was Gary Payne, the first black judge in Fayette County.
The comments were, we don't know if she's ready. We don't know if she has what it takes. Well, why not? Because I had every bit of experience that they did.
Biden says he's done a deep dive on 4 Supreme Court candidates.
They're looking for individuals that went to typically elite law schools, most likely on the federal bench experience.
University of Kentucky political science professor Justin Wiedeking says Biden's pick could help him in the midterms.
Yes, I think certainly President Biden is looking for anything right now to help boost his approval ratings.
President Biden said he would name the nominee by the end of February, and Senate Democrats are hoping for a quick confirmation. Since Biden's pick won't change the ideological balance of the court, Wiedeking doubts the confirmation process will be contentious, but he says there's still likely to be pushback. Some lawmakers have called Biden's pledge to nominate a black woman affirmative action and identity politics. But for these judges, those comments are merely distractions.
And I guarantee you that 99 out of 100 times her resume will certainly exceed the expectations.
They say Biden's nomination is a step towards progress. If they could speak to the nominee, they would say this:
You may be the first, but you won't be the last.
In Lexington, Chelsea Jones, WKYT.
President Biden has met with members of the Senate Judiciary Committee to discuss the Supreme Court vacancy. He could name his nominee any day now.